Guys, got a customer states video for you. Customer states back right wheel is cocked in. If you can look at that rotor right there, yeah, that's definitely going to the left. You look at this one back here, yeah, the camber is in a little bit, but it's definitely not going to the right like that other one. So we went ahead and took some measurements, was looking at some stuff. There's a few little bushings in here like this one. Let me see if I can get some light on for you fellas and ladies. You see how that's really close up here and it widens down there? And if you look in there, kind of does the same thing. There's a little tag in the way, but same thing there. Same thing there. It's cocked in. Go ahead. Sorry, I don't mean to get in your way. You check over on this side. What's that look like? That looks pretty even. Slightly out, but pretty even. Could be pulling from that other side. This guy right here looks pretty even. And this guy right here, it's a little pulled in, but not like that other side. It's not pinched, so leads us to believe that this arm right here is bent on the other side. This arm and this arm on the other side have already been replaced, so we still got the same issue. Diagging it with a friend of mine, and yeah, we're gonna get this fixed for him. So be wary of any kind of alignment shop, any kind of dealership or anything. If the tech ain't holding the beer when you get there to look at your car, then you probably ain't getting nothing fixed right.